Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install OTTPlayer, which is a popular live TV player that can be paired with your favorite live TV service for an improved interface. I have a complete screenshot tutorial here that not only provides installation steps, but also provides how to pair with your live TV service and other details about OTTPlayer. So I'm going to leave a link to this in the description below. But before diving in, it is important to note that OTTPlayer is available inside the Google Play Store. As you'll see here, it does have over 1 million downloads, and because it is inside Google Play, we can be sure that this application is 100% legal to install and use on our devices. Now, because OTTPlayer is not available inside the Amazon App Store, we must sideload this on our Firestick or Fire TV. In this example, I'm using an Amazon Firestick 4K Max, but this will work on any variation of the Amazon Firestick, Fire TV Cube, or Fire TV device. So the first step to installing OTTPlayer is to go to the home screen of your Firestick and hover over Find, click down and click Search. And now we're going to type in Downloader. So as you'll see, it pops up before I finish typing. Click Downloader here. And then click the orange icon for Downloader under Apps and Games. Wait a few seconds here. Click Download. Wait a few seconds for Downloader to install on your Firestick. And Downloader has installed. Now, before launching Downloader, there's a few settings we need to change. So click the Home button on your remote, and then on the home screen, hover over the settings icon, scroll down and click My Fire TV, click About, and then click Fire TV Stick 4K Max or whatever this says here until you see the following message. No need, you are already a developer. Once you see that message, click back, click Developer Options, click Install Unknown Apps, click Downloader, and you'll see Downloader is turned on for installing unknown apps. So let's click the Home button on our remote and scroll down, and you should see Downloader under Recently Used Apps. Click that to launch it. Click Allow, click OK, and you have now installed the Downloader app. So after you've installed the Downloader app, what we're going to do is hover over the search box here and click the OK button, and then we're going to enter the following code, 298344. Double check that and click Go. And now we're going to wait just a few seconds here while you are being redirected to the IPTV Wire Quick Links page. And once you are on our Quick Links page, the first thing I would suggest you do is come up to the top here and click this icon with the 3 lines. Then click Add Current Page to Favorites. Click Save. And now our Quick Links page is saved in your favorites. One thing I always like to do is X out of these icons that pop up. So to install OTTPlayer, simply scroll down, and then you'll notice OTTPlayer here. So just click that, and then it will start to download. So wait a few seconds while OTTPlayer is downloading. Then click Install. And then the app is installed. So before launching, I'm going to click Done. And then one thing I always like to do is delete the installation files. So click Delete again, and now hold down the Home button on your remote, click Apps, and now scroll down and you should find OTTPlayer in our Apps and Channels list. So I'd click the Options button with the 3 lines on your remote, click Move, and now I'm going to drop OTTPlayer towards the front of my apps list. Click OK to drop it. Now click the Home button, and you'll notice OTTPlayer is right where I placed it. So guys, before launching OTTPlayer or any live TV player in general, I always make sure that I'm connected to a VPN. Surfshark VPN is our #1 recommended VPN at IPTV Wire, and I personally just do not trust third-party app developers, or I don't trust my ISP seeing what I am doing online. And being connected to a VPN like Surfshark, I can ensure that my connection to the internet is secure. Now you can find a special discount link below this video that does help support me and my channel, so I really do appreciate you guys looking at that. So once I'm connected to Surfshark, I'm going to go ahead and launch OTTPlayer. And we'll just wait a few seconds for it to launch, and then we're going to click Start. And here we are on the OTTPlayer home screen. You'll see I have options to sign in, sign up, import playlist, and settings. Now in this example, I'm not going to pair a live TV service, but if you were going to do that, you would simply click Import Playlist, click Add. You can either do a direct M3U URL link, or you can upload an M3U URL file. So typically, I always have links provided by live TV services or applications like Samsung TV Plus. So if you click Direct Link, click Allow, click Add, and then you'll notice here you have an option to add the M3U URL link and also name this whatever you want, and you would click Add. So that's how you would upload an M3U playlist from any live TV service to OTTPlayer. And guys, you'll see there are some other settings options here. We can customize a media player, video scale, language, and just some various other options. So guys, that's how you install OTTPlayer on your Firestick or Fire TV device. Again, this is Bodie. I truly appreciate you watching this video. Like, share, subscribe. Hope you guys have a great day, and I look forward to releasing more content like this again soon.